The Google Pixel 8 Pro Review. Design and display. The Pixel 8 Pro features a 6.7-inch OLED display, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The screen's high resolution ensures sharp visuals, enhancing both media consumption and productivity tasks. The device's design includes rounded corners, providing a comfortable grip for users. Performance. Equipped with Google's Tensor G3 processor, the Pixel 8 Pro delivers robust performance suitable for multitasking and demanding applications. The integration of AI capabilities enhances user experiences, particularly in photography and voice recognition. Camera system. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts a superior 3-lens camera system with 5x optical zoom, enabling users to capture detailed photos across various scenarios. Google's computational photography further enhances image quality, ensuring vibrant and accurate shots. Battery life. While the Pixel 8 Pro offers a range of advanced features, some users have reported concerns regarding battery life, particularly when using network-intensive applications. It's advisable for potential buyers to consider their usage patterns and assess whether the device's battery performance aligns with their needs. Overall, the Google Pixel 8 Pro stands as a testament to Google's commitment to delivering a seamless integration of hardware and software. Its advanced camera system, intelligent features, and recent price reductions make it a compelling choice. Thank you so much.